Hi, welcome to Leverage Business Apps. Today we're going to be learning how to navigate to a form and then submit the form. So you'll see here I have a computer inventory and a gallery, and I have a button here, and that button has a value for onSelect to, oops, let me actually select the button. There we go. OnSelect to navigate to our Edit Device screen, which is going to be where our form is. So if I go to play, click on the button to navigate, here I am to edit the device, but when I click submit, you notice nothing's happening. So if I go back to edit mode and click on submit, the onSelect is set to false. So first thing we need to do is figure out what the title of our form is. So if we click in our form, it's going to tell us this is form 1. So go back to the submit button, and onSelect, we're going to say submit form. Which form do you want to submit? We're going to submit form 1. And then what do you want to do after it submits? So you can do that here. You could say submit form and then navigate, and we'll say we're going to navigate back to computer inventory. Certainly one way to do that. The issue is this is going to submit the form, and regardless if it's successful or not, it's going to navigate away. So the user's not going to know if there's an error. So the better way to do this is to submit form for the button. On your form, you're going to click on the form itself, and you're going to go down to on success. So now only if it's successful, we're going to say navigate computer inventory. And just to add a little bit of something, we're going to say notify your update has been saved. Great. And we want that to be a success. So it will be green. This basically just says the colors. So we want it to be green. We'll end it there. We'll go into play. And just to make sure this changes, we're going to say that this device was $15.99. Submit. You'll notice we're back on the screen. That is $15.99. Thanks for viewing, and if you have any questions, feel free to go to leveragebusinessapps.com.